Do you ever stop to listen to the words you say to yourself? Negative self-talk isn't just harmless chatter. It's a powerful force that can shape your reality in detrimental ways. It silently poisons your mind, leading to bad health, decisions, actions, and even unwanted experiences. Blaming others for your thoughts and feelings only relinquishes your power to create a life of happiness and success. By shifting your focus to positive, kind, and energizing thoughts, you can bring about impactful changes in your physical life. Toxic self-talk not only attracts negativity, but also sabotages your chances of receiving love, kindness, and abundance. True wealth and happiness come from within, not from external sources. By interrupting each negative thought and replacing it with feelings of joy, love, and abundance, you can improve your mental and physical health. This shift in mindset will magnetically draw positive experiences towards you, fostering unity and respectful problem solving. Let go of divisiveness and blame, and embrace the transformative power of self-love and kindness. Start your journey towards a happier, more abundant life by conquering your inner critic today.